The BMW Group is systematically advancing the digitalization and automation of its production processes within the BMW iFACTORY framework. Since 2022, the company has been testing automated driving in plant (AFW) for new vehicles at its largest European plant in Dingolfing. Following successful CE certification, the pilot project is now transitioning into series operation. In addition to Dingolfing, Leipzig is also currently being enabled to implement the AFW project in series operation. Other facilities in the BMW Group production network are set to follow in stages. Automated driving in plant optimizes our production process and delivers significant efficiency gains for our logistics, explains Milan Nedeljkovic, member of the Board of Management of BMW AG responsible for production. That is why we will be swiftly rolling out this technology throughout our production network. In addition to the BMW 5 Series and 7 Series in Dingolfing, this technology is now also being used for the Mini Countryman and other BMW models in Leipzig. In Dingolfing, the new vehicles drive fully autonomously, without a driver, along a route of more than 1 kilometer, from the 2 assembly halls, through the short test course, to the plant's finishing area. This is made possible by sensors installed along the route, creating the largest LiDAR infrastructure in Europe, and relying on an externally generated environment model and an external movement planner. Regardless of the vehicle's equipment options, this system controls its automated movements, using state-of-the-art cloud architecture. Parts of the technology were provided by the young Swiss company Embitech AG, which the BMW Group already cooperated with in the early stages through its venture client unit, the BMW Startup Garage. Plant Leipzig plans to introduce automated driving for around 90% of the BMW and Mini models built there, with plants Regensburg and Oxford set to follow in 2025. The new site in Debrecen, Hungary, will also implement this technology from the official launch of series production. Going forward, the BMW Group plans to expand its use of automated driving in plant to other areas of production, such as for driving through the testing zone and in outdoor distribution areas. Production and development experts are also working closely together to refine the technology in-house. Another key factor in expanding the technology is the increasing use of onboard technology, which will support the external sensors in the long term. Over the next 10 years, we will log several million test kilometers with automated driving in plant in our production network alone, says Nedeljkovic. In this way, the BMW Group is once again setting a new benchmark for automation and digitalization of its production processes, while paving the way for future applications in the field of autonomous driving.